Good morning, second graders. Today we're going to be doing lesson 155, pages 309 and 310. In the beginning, number 1, they want you to write the answers, and we are finding fractions of whole numbers. So we're finding either 1/3 or 1/2 of a group. So the first one wants you to write down what 1/3 of 3 is. So if you have 3 stars, how many equals 1/3 of that group? Well, there's a total of 3 stars, but we only want 1 star because that would be 1 out of the 3. So 1/3 of 3 is 1. All right, the next one wants you to tell them 1/3 of 15. If we have 15 fishing poles and we divide them into 3 equal groups, one of those groups will tell us how much is 1/3 of 15. So what is 15 divided into 3 equal groups? Yeah, it's 5. So 1/3 of 15 equals 5. What is 1/3 of 30? If you broke 30 into 3 equal groups, how many would be in each group? 10. What is half of 10? Well, if you take 10 and divide it into 2 equal groups, one of those 2 groups would have how many in it? 1/2 of 10 equals 5. What is half of 6? 1/2 of 6 is 3. And 1/2 of 14 is 7 because 7 plus 7 equals 14. Number 2, color 1/3 of the backpacks. Well, in order to find 1/3 of the backpacks, we need to know how many total backpacks there are. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 total backpacks. If you break them into 3 groups, that's what it will look like. You'll have 3 in each group. So you can go ahead and color 3 of the backpacks. Number 3, Ashley bought 5 bags of polished stones at the gift shop. Each bag contains 10 colorful stones. How many stones did Ashley buy? Well, she bought 5 bags, and each bag has 10 gift stones in them, or colorful stones in them. 5 groups of 10 equals what? 5 times 10 equals 50 stones. Number 4, Mom packed 30 snack crackers. They came in packages of 5 crackers each. How many packages did Mom pack? Well, she packed a total of 30. There were 5 in each pack. What's 30 divided by 5? 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 packages. Number 5, measure the fish. How much longer is the trout? Okay, we have a trout, a Yellowstone trout, and a mountain whitefish. So go ahead and take your ruler and measure the Yellowstone trout. Go ahead and pause the video, actually, and measure both of the fish. Write down your answer and then push play. Okay, so the Yellowstone trout is 6 inches. And the mountain whitefish is 4 inches. How much longer is 6 inches than 4 inches? Well, you might be tempted to add 6 plus 4 and that equals 10, but that's impossible. That can't be our answer because if the trout is only 6 inches to begin with, it can't be 10 inches longer than the whitefish. So we are trying to find the difference between 6 and 4, and as we know, The difference is the answer in a subtraction problem. Always put the larger number first in a subtraction problem. 6 minus 4 equals 2 inches. Okay, that's the end of the first page, and now I'll get ready to start the second page.